Hi students, I hope everyone is doing great. This video is to line us out for next week. And how about we start with a joke? Why doesn't anyone ever talk to circles? Because there's no point. All right, so this week we're going to continue talking about fractions. We will begin by reviewing sections 3.1 through 3.5, and we will start working on 3.6 to 3.7. Before Tuesday, I would like you to finish the readings at home for 3.6 and 3.7, and that is before class on Tuesday, because we will be working on the problems in class and throughout the week. And getting ready for our test on Friday. Okay? All right, so here is our number talk that is to be talked about tomorrow. But I want you to think about this question. 1 serving of rice is 2/3 of a cup. I ate 1 cup of rice. How many servings of rice did I eat? So as you're sitting at home, think about this. Maybe you want to get out the measuring cups and mess around. Maybe you want to draw it out. However, whatever works for you, I want you to think about it and come to class prepared to talk about it. All right. We will see you then. Have a great night.